Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Salo the Chef, and today I'm going to make for you a herb chicken breast. Come along with me. Okay, what we need here is a chicken breast and our seasoning. Our herb seasoning, all we need is some salt, some thyme, dried oregano, and here we have some rosemary and our dhania powder. And the red powder over there, it's Spanish paprika. Now we just mix our seasoning, just mix them all together so that we can incorporate the ingredients. And then let's not forget our black pepper. We crush our black pepper. I love black pepper. So after that, after incorporating the ingredients, we take our breast, then we just smear it around and we rub the herbs and the spices on the chicken breast. Ensure that you have to incorporate the ingredients very well. I love using chicken breast because it takes a little time to cook. Yeah, so we have our 2 chicken breasts and we just do the same to the other one. It looks really beautiful, really looks tasty. So we drizzle some oil onto each part of that chicken. This will help it not to stick. And after that, we just let it rest for just 1 to 3 minutes. Then we just take our pan, hot pan. For me, I'm just using a grill pan, but you can use any type of pan as long as it's stainless steel. This will help it. Will help it out. Sticks. So we just throw our garlic so that it can cooperate with the ingredients and the flavor. So after that, we just put our chicken breast, and remember, you just start with the skin part until it just form crust. And to know the chicken is cooking nice, so you can just see that white layer on top. When you just reach at the middle, you will just turn it over, and when you just turn it over, you just wait for around 4 to 5 minutes and it will be done. You can see those juicy drizzling over there. Really nice. I love this. Wow, you can see that crust that forms on the skin of the chicken breast. You just turn it over. Yeah, really looks nice. Yeah, so we just let it around 2-3 minutes and it's done. And then you just let it out. And remember, it's very important to let it rest. Look, those juices. This means our chicken breast is really nice and juicy. After that, we just have some veggies. Here we have got our grilled carrots and our garden peas, which I really love garden peas. So from now, go for the plating time. Here we just have our chicken, our herb chicken breast on a bed of mash. So we just put our mashed potato, which is really nice. I'll just show you how we do it. We just take our chicken breast, and then now we just give it a little slice. You can see, very nice. You can see the juices around there. Many people really complain about having chicken breast dry, but trust me, when you do this recipe and then you just, after grilling it, you just let it rest for 2-3 minutes, definitely you just get the best results. So we just lay it over on top of that mash like that. It looks really beautiful, golden brown, very nice. Yeah, and this is my favorite thing. Wow. Yes. Now for the plating, we just had our mash. Below there, we take our carrots, grilled carrots. We just place them on the side. This is really nice color tonation. You can see that from the white, from the creamy mash, the orange carrots, and then we just put our garden peas around that place. Whoa, look at it, guys. Trust me, just really nice. And then we have got our secret sauce over here. Ooh, we drizzle it around there, just give that color contraction. Very nice. I love this, guys. You can't wait. Well, then we just take our fresh thyme and we just place on top as our garnish. And look at it, very nice, very easy. Wow, this is a 5-star dish, guys. And that's our herb chicken breast on a bed of mashed potatoes. So guys, if you like this video, feel free to subscribe, comment, share, and for more recipes guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.